Welcome back to Yo, the space where innovation meets reality and cars evolve with each passing year. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Hybrid has officially arrived, and it brings with it a fresh wave of style, performance and efficiency. This new generation of the Corolla Hybrid is not just a continuation of a long legacy but a bold step forward into a more sustainable and tech-savvy future. At first glance, the exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Hybrid is sharper, sportier and more refined than its predecessor. The front fascia features a sleeker grille and more aerodynamic lines that give it an aggressive yet elegant profile. LED headlights and taillights blend seamlessly into the body with a coupe-like silhouette that feels modern and dynamic. Toyota has given this hybrid a bolder stance with slightly flared wheel arches and optional 18-inch alloy wheels, adding to its confident road presence. Under the hood, the new Corolla Hybrid houses a refined 18-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with the latest generation of Toyota's hybrid Synergy drive system. This improved hybrid powertrain delivers a combined output of around 138 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride while maintaining fuel efficiency that tops 58 miles per gallon in city driving. This makes it one of the most economical sedans in its class, offering incredible range with minimal emissions. The electric motor provides instant torque, allowing for quiet and effortless acceleration, especially in urban stop-and-go traffic. Toyota has also worked to improve the overall driving dynamics of the Corolla Hybrid by enhancing the suspension and steering response. It now feels more planted and agile, especially around corners, without sacrificing comfort. The regenerative braking system has been tuned for a more natural feel, ensuring better control and smoother transitions between power sources. Whether on city streets or highways, the Corolla Hybrid handles with poise and delivers a confident drive. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Corolla Hybrid is all about comfort, connectivity and a futuristic feel. Soft touch materials, upscale textures and improved seat cushioning make for a more premium atmosphere than one might expect in this category. The dashboard features a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and a large 10-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and built-in navigation. The system is quick to respond and easier to use, with voice commands now functioning more intuitively thanks to upgraded AI recognition software. Another major highlight is the Toyota Safety Sense 40 suite, which now comes standard across all trims. This includes advanced safety technologies like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, road sign assist and automatic high beams. The inclusion of blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert further enhance the level of driver confidence and awareness. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom and enhanced headroom thanks to a reworked cabin layout. The battery pack is now smaller and located more efficiently under the rear seats, preserving trunk space, which now stands at an impressive 135 cubic feet, making it practical for daily use and longer journeys alike. Toyota has also improved sound insulation materials throughout the cabin, reducing road and wind noise to enhance overall ride quality. For eco-conscious buyers, the 2026 Corolla Hybrid continues to be a smart and accessible choice. It not only meets stringent emission standards but also contributes to lowering the overall carbon footprint without compromising on performance or convenience. Additionally, Toyota offers multiple drive modes including EV mode, Eco and Sport, to let drivers tailor their experience based on preference or driving conditions. Charging is not required thanks to its self-charging hybrid system, making it a hassle-free experience for those new to electric or hybrid vehicles. Maintenance costs remain low, and Toyota continues to include a strong warranty package that includes coverage for the hybrid battery and powertrain components, ensuring long-term peace of mind. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Hybrid is a solid leap forward in the world of efficient sedans. It blends a modern design with practical performance, impressive fuel economy and the latest in safety and tech features. It is the kind of car that appeals to both longtime Corolla fans and newcomers looking for a reliable, forward-thinking vehicle for everyday use. Whether you are commuting through busy city streets or cruising on open highways, this hybrid is ready to deliver comfort, efficiency and confidence every mile of the way. Make sure to follow Yo for more deep dives into the world of futuristic automobiles and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next innovation on wheels.